Mateo RCD has been involved in this project as a partner of state parks since its inception, really, about 4 or 5 years ago. We've provided significant technical assistance, really helping with design work. A lot of money, grant money was funneled through the RCD. We hired technical consultants, engineers, hydrologists to help really think through what made sense in sort of restoring the hydrology of the site, especially the hydrology of the site in light of having some very rare and endangered species on site. The first few weeks, we call it grubbing and clearing, which is basically getting vegetation out of the way and then getting a root matter away. And that's really important for being able to move dirt to where we want it to go, but it's really important from a biological resource perspective because we're out here doing these projects to enhance habitat for wildlife. So it's really incumbent upon us to make sure that as we're building this, we're not making a mess and really hurting wildlife. So once we do that clearing and grubbing and you're sort of down to sort of bare dirt, it's much easier to see species. We are looking out as the equipment is moving around for all kinds of snakes. Snakes and rodents are the big things here. 3 types of garter snakes, and then voles, mice, wood rats, and weasels, but the weasels move so fast we don't have to worry about that. There are large areas that we're not touching. So we pick up, for example, snake. We walk maybe 100, 150 feet in, not right on the border, but into sort of the grass under the shrubland to find a place that looks like a nice place to put them. The mice, we might leave quite a little closer because they just scamper really quickly. Wood rats, we might take a little further away, particularly if we know where there are other wood rat nests, just kind of move them in that general direction. So it depends on the work schedule, the workflow, and the species. So the protection of the local wildlife is sort of embedded in the project. It's baked in from sort of original goals to sort of how we design it to how we construct it.